In this video, we are going to learn about meta prompting in prompt engineering. So imagine you are not asking the AI to directly solve a task like write a poem or summarizing this article. Instead, you are asking the AI how it would design a prompt to solve the task or even how to improve a given prompt to the AI itself. So you are now prompting the AI about prompting itself. So this is the heart of meta programming. So prompting the AI to think about the prompt. So not just the task. So what is meta prompting? So meta prompting is the technique of asking a language model to evaluate, generate or improve prompts rather than directly performing a task. So in simple terms, meta prompting is equal to prompt about a prompt. It allows the AI to act like a prompt engineer, teacher, or reviewer, which helps in better decision making, and also it is used to design better instructions for itself or for others. So why do we need meta prompting? So in regular prompting, you tell the model what to do, but in meta prompting, you ask the model how to best tell itself or for another model or for what to do. So this is especially useful when you are unsure how to write a good prompt, when you want the AI to improve your vague or ineffective prompts, when you want to generate many prompt variations for particular task, when you are building a prompt generators or auto prompting tools. So let's consider a small example to understand about this meta prompting. So let's consider uh, these two lines of prompt. So the two lines includes, here is a prompt, tell me about history, and second line says please rewrite this prompt to make it more clear, focused and informative. So as you can see, actually the first line is the prompt, that actually the first line is what we want. So you can use the first line itself to the AI model for output, but you are saying that in second line you rewrite this prompt to make it more clear, focused and informative, so that AI will give the best output from themselves. So actually let's consider uh, this technique as a meta prompting. So actually the model is not answering the original question, but actually it is editing the prompt to make it better. So you can also give prompts like generate 5 different prompts that can be used to write a motivational speech. So here you are asking 5 different prompts that are actually used to write a motivational speech. So here you are asking AI to generate prompt for itself. So actually this technique is called meta prompting. So where is meta prompting is used? So meta prompting is especially useful in prompt engineering tools that auto optimize prompts. It is especially useful in AI agents that reason and self-correct on its own. It is highly used in AI tutors that help learners with better prompts. So it is highly useful in experiments that explore how different prompts affects the model output. And also it is especially useful for debugging poorly performing prompts. So now let's see some of the advantages with meta prompting. So it improves the prompt quality without human editing. It enables AI generated prompt libraries. It reduces time spent in trial and error designing the prompts. It helps beginners to learn prompt structure. It powers advanced use cases like self-refining models. Now let's see some of the limitations of meta prompting. So it requires a strong model to give useful evaluation, like it requires the most powerful models like GPT-4. So it sometimes the model gives vague or overlay generic suggestions. It may struggle with highly technical or creative prompt evaluation. It is not always aligned with human expectation of improvement. So these were some of the limitations posed by meta prompting. So when to use meta prompting? So use meta prompting when you want to generate multiple prompt options for a single task. And also you can use when you want AI to improve an unclear or lazy prompt. You can also use this technique when you want to teach others how to write good prompt, and also you can use this technique when you want AI to behave more like a prompt engineer or a trainer. So let's summarize the video. So meta prompting turns AI into a prompt expert. Instead of just answering questions, the model thinks about how to ask better questions. It's an incredibly useful technique for anyone building AI tools, like writing educational content or just trying to get better results from a language model. So by mastering meta prompting, you are not just talking to AI, but you are teaching it to think about how it should be asked, and that opens the door to smarter, more dynamic, and self improving prompts. Now,